Assalamu alaikum everyone and welcome to today's JASMY video update. Now I've already talked about the bear pennant previously and how the bear pennant was looking like, but there's one more thing that I want to talk about JASMY though, and that is JASMY is printing in another flag here. So I do see a bear flag on JASMY right now on the monthly time frame, and this because this is on a monthly time frame, we could have 2023 being bearish as well, or maybe sideways next year. And you do have a technical target for JASMY right now to come to, this is going to be 0.002384, and that's actually going to be a bear flag that I want to talk about on Google here. So let's talk about the bear flag just like that. I'm just going to show you some example of how the bear flag looks like. And number one, this is the simplest form picture of the bear flag. One that is actually explained is something like this, where you do have the flagpole, the resistance support, and then you break out of the flagpole and then you go down. What that means on a picture form is if I actually bring in here, so that's the flagpole right here, the flag itself, and then the pole is your next technical target. So that's going to be a big drop and a big discount once again for JASMY to come down for 74%. And let me tell you, everything is showing 74% drop at the moment. And that's pretty much it for this quick update on JASMY. I'm going to see you in the next one. I love this.